Took it up for a flight this morning. Burned the battery pack. This is what I got. Man. Wow. Good thing I brought her in safe. Wow. Unbelievable. Just happened as soon as I took her up straight, heard a loud noise. I had no response, and I that's where she landed, right there. Pretty much I dead stick it in. Now, oh man, now I gotta look for this thing. Jeez. This is crazy. Shouldn't be hard to miss. It's blue. Yeah. Wow. Oh, I took it straight up. Oh, there it is. There it is. Maybe that's just the nose cone. It's the prop in there. Yep. Wow. This is crazy. Wow. Well, as you can see, 4 minutes. Well, it was close to 4 minutes in the flight, or less than that. It's the prop. It's nose cone. Tried to put a flight in this morning, and this is what I got. Prop took off. The plane stayed dormant. Man, good thing I've been flying for some years. I got some experience. I was able to dead stick this plane in. Whew. It's cool out here. It's crazy. Well, that's it from your boy J Sky Outdoors, signing off. I'll put this thing on and get up again. I guess this time I'll put some Loctite on it. But yeah. Dead sticker down because the prop fell off. This your boy Jay from J Sky Outdoors signing off.